Hello, year three. Happy New Year to you all. Yes, we are not in 2020 anymore. We are 2021, and we all pray that Allah will give healing from the COVID to all the world so that we can be back in school. Yes, and this is what I pray, that you are with health and you are happy, that you had a wonderful holidays, um, and that we can continue and hopefully soon in the school together. All right, so we are going to have our lesson this week on codes. With last video I did, actually I think I will try to unarchive, because I put it on Firefly Archive, the lesson 4, where I did the explanation of lesson 4. If you haven't finished, you can go back to those videos. Now I'm going to do explanation of lesson 5. Some of you already finished lesson 5, finished lesson 6. Some people are already in lesson 7 or 8 and are really ahead. So those people, you can ask help from Ms. Ada after our lesson, after 12 o'clock, because during the lesson, I will be helping those who are still doing the lesson that we are doing together in lesson 5. Okay? So, as you know, you open Firefly. Yes, you open your Firefly to have your lesson, and then you click on the link of your class. This is an example of 3N, but you have to open, of course, the link for your class, and you know what to do. Click on your name, click on your picture, and sign in, the orange box. When you sign in, you are going to see everything that you have done already. Oops, okay. So Miss Ada explained these levels, level 2, level 4, level 8, and level 11 of lesson 4. And now I'm going to do some explanation of the levels in lesson 5. That is for you to do these next few days. So the first level of lesson 5 is about debugging. You know, we talked about this in year 2, that the bug is something that goes wrong when you are giving instructions on on the computer on how to do something. Like if you are giving instructions to make a cake, and then you say, put the cake in the oven, and then after put the cake in the oven, beat some eggs. No, the oven, if you put the cake in the oven, the dough should be ready, and you don't need to beat eggs anymore. So there is a bug. So you need to get what is in the wrong position and put it in the right position. Not that you don't need to beat eggs to make the cake. You need these instructions, but the instruction needs to be in the correct order. So this is what happens when there is a bug in our program. If you're explaining the computer, I want this to happen, I want the Angry Bird to get the pig, and needs to go north or left, it needs to go straight. You need to give the right instructions, okay? So you can watch this video later. I'm going to click continue. This way I have a green dot. Remember, here I have instructions. We are in the Ice Age here, helping Scratch catch the acorn. And this one is quite easy. Again, I have instructions here. So I can click here and ask for a hint. Does everything work after the first step? After the second? Where does it go wrong? So I'm going to go step by step. Forward 1, forward 2. It didn't get there because it needs another one. It needs to go forward 3 times. So I reset and I can run. Okay. So I love this. I'm going to continue. And I'm going to go to maybe 5 here. Level 5. See, level 5 starts to get a little more complicated. Here it says that I need to use 6 blocks, and I'm already using 6 blocks. But if I go step by step, look, move forward, turn right. Oh, and when it turns right, it's facing this, the ice. It's gonna fall there. So it's not to turn right, I need to turn left. So I can click on this tiny little arrow, turn left. And then I'm going to reset and go again. Forward, turn left, good. Forward, turn left. Uh-oh. If it goes left, uh-oh. So it's turn right. So you don't need to delete. You don't need to put everything in the bin and start over. You just fix what's wrong. Let's reset and let's run. Excellent. I love this one. He got his acorn. And we are going to go to a more advanced. Oh, this is good. Let me go to level 8 first. See, there's a challenge. No, not the challenge I want. I want maybe 7. I think I will do the next one, this one. Because these gray blocks, I cannot put in the bin. Even if I want to put it in the bin, it's not going to go. Because the program wants me to use them. Yeah, so I have to go, if I need to throw something out, if something is wrong, it's on the blue part, not in the gray one. So I go forward 1, I go forward 2. Uh-oh, if I go forward one more time, what's going to happen? It falls in the water. So I cannot put this in the bin. So I'm going just to put this on the side and see what happens. Because I must turn here. Let's see. So forward 1, forward 2, turn right. Oh, and then I put turn right again. Uh-oh, goes to the wrong. Oh no, I turn right and need to go forward. So I'm gonna put it again, forward. So you see, just be patient, go with little by little. Forward 1, forward 2, turn right. Forward 1. Look, I need to go again forward. So let me use one of the blue ones. Let's reset and forward 1, forward 2, turn right. Forward 1, forward 2. Now you see, now it needs to turn, because if it goes straight, it falls in ice. If it goes to the right, it falls in right. So it needs to turn left. So let's put this one, but not turn right. Click on the little arrow. I need to turn left. And then go 1 and 2. forward. So let's check if it's correct now. Reset. Let's see. Forward 1, forward 2, turn right. Forward 1, forward 2, turn left. Forward 1, forward 2. There you go. Okay. Now, when we get to level 10 or level 9, yes, in level 9, they have like a little test to see what is the correct answer, to see if you know how to read the program, how to read this algorithm. Yes, this program. So here says for him to go forward 1, see, and then forward 2, forward 1, forward 2, and he gets here. So far, so good. Then it tells it to turn right. Okay, turn right. It's gonna go to this direction. Good. So it's so far so good. And then it tells to go forward 1 and then forward 2 and to turn left. Left. Is it right? I don't think it's to turn left. I think he needs to turn right here. I think this one is wrong. So, and then go forward. If he turns left and go forward, it's gonna fall in the water. So let's see what they say. A, Scratch will reach the acorn. There are no bugs in the code. There is a bug. I think he doesn't need to turn left here. That's right. B, Scratch will not reach the acorn because he turns the wrong way. I think letter B. C, Scratch will not reach the acorn because there are not enough move forward blocks. I think that B is correct, but I would do letter D. I don't know this. I'm not sure, but I want you to check. Let's see. Move forward, move forward. Now, I'm not going to go on. Let's see if you can do on yourself and get this challenge and go into this answer, okay? I know you can do it. All right, so let me finish this. I hope you can do this lesson with no problem, and we see each other next week, okay? Masalama, have a great week. Bye-bye. Happy 2021. Oops. Someone just stop.